Hey everyone, Mike Mulligan here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am a certified orientation and mobility specialist, and today I'm going to be talking about how wide to sweep a cane from left to right. It's good to start with this before we start doing any cane skills which require moving. So this is a good way of practicing how wide to sweep your cane. And this is going to be a continuation off my previous video which talked about how to hold the cane using index finger grip. So if you haven't seen that video, I'd recommend going back and take a look at that one before watching this one. So how wide you sweep a cane is really important. It really affects how well you travel and how safe you are at traveling. If you're sweeping your cane too wide, that causes some problems. And if you're not sweeping it wide enough, that also causes some problems. So hopefully this video will be helpful as a review or just introducing how wide to sweep the cane. And I'd also like to say this is building off of my previous video which talked about how to hold the cane using index finger grip. So we're going to be building off of that. And one thing that's good is practicing arc width before you actually start moving, because you want to be comfortable with how wide you sweep your cane before you add the extra step of being in motion. Okay, now I think it's time to show you how wide the cane should be swept from left to right.
So the first thing you want to do to practice sweeping the cane left to right is to get an index finger grip. And when you sweep your cane, you're aiming for about 1 or 2 inches past the left and right shoulder. So you take turns sweeping it left and right. You can also picture a clock, and when you start, your cane's at 12 o'clock straight in front of you, and you can sweep it left to 11 or right to 1. And you can keep practicing left and right. And now here are 2 examples of what you don't want to do. First, you don't want to sweep the cane too short where you're not getting past each shoulder, and you don't want to sweep it too wide where you're going way past each shoulder.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this video was helpful in learning how wide to sweep your cane. If you have any questions, please ask an orientation mobility instructor who can help you and assist you. This video is really meant for review, so hopefully this was helpful. And thank you so much for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.